How to add product categories to menus in WordPress. Before we start, check out the best hosting services. They are recommended by professionals with years of experience. To choose your one, click the links in the description below. So let's get started. First of all, I am on my WordPress main dashboard. So what you have to do is to simply go to these templates on your left hand side and then go for these categories. So once you are in, you can name it whatever you want to go with. So let's go for a t-shirt and then tap on the add new category. After that, you just need to scroll a little bit down until you see appearance and tap on this menus. Once you tap on this will take you to another page where you need to tap on the screen options on the top right and make sure product categories is enabled. Now again scroll down and go for product categories. Go for this view all and select your category that you have made right now and then tap on this add to menu. So that was the process of how you can add product categories to menu in WordPress.